This video highlight the important topics for the purpose of a subject Law Ethics in the Communication for a May 2013 examination. The video highlight the important topics. It does not mean and gives a guarantee that it will be asked in an examination. The students are requested to refer the entire subject. These are meant for the purpose of referring on the last day when you are suffering or when you are not having enough time. First, let us talk about the important topics of ethics. No economic growth without the ecological cost. Difference between the ethics and the morale. Iron role, low responsibility. Social accountability standard. The character of the corporate governance. Fairness and the honesty are the pillars of a success in a business. What the measures are required to be taken for the purpose of maintaining the workplace ethics. The harassment at the workplace. Sustainable development and the responsibility of industries. Guideline theme on the consumer protection and the rights of a consumer. Creating the ethical environment in the company. Reason why the unethical behavior are shown in the finance and the accounting profession or accounting segment. Now let us talk about the important topics for communication. Communication process. The principles, the merit and the demerit of the oral communication. Barriers to the communication, especially the semantic barrier, ethical dilemmas, affidavit and the gift deed, notice of the meeting. These two are for the purpose of a drafting. Let us talk about the business law. First, the Indian Contract Act. Usually, the case study based upon the acceptance of the offer and the bailment. Offer and the rules for the purpose of making an offer, capacity to contract, circumstances under which the doctrine of supervening impossibility is not applicable. Usually from the Contract Act, the practical question is based upon. Second, then thereafter, payment of a bonus act, payment part of a salary, deduction under the third schedule, categories of employees exempted from the payment of a bonus act, then employee provident fund and miscellaneous provision act, payment part of a basic wages, composition and function of a central board of a trustee, recovery of the money due from the employer, then the gratuity act, period for which the gratuity is payable, forfeiture of the amount of a gratuity, dispute resolved mechanism and the process. And then the fourth one, last one, the Companies Act, conversion procedure for converting the private company into the public company and public company to private company, the process or a procedure for incorporation of a company, the effect of a registration of the company, memorandum and the article, prospectus, its requirement, self-prospectus and any remedies available to the director, promoter, shareholder or a member for the purpose of a misstatement in the prospectus, small depositors, effect of irregular allotment, underwriting, buyback, right issue and reduction of share capital, transmission of shares, registration of charges and meetings. That's all. Wish all you best for the examination. Thank you.